Hey, now it's time to talk about Bakery Page Builder. It is a premium plugin which you can download and buy in TeamForest page. So when you buy this and install to your website, you can edit your website using this. Most often the premium templates are included this plugin, so your site can use it. But even if your theme use this plugin, you should buy separated license to Bakery. When you go to the pages, and you will have the page built in the Bakery page builder, just go to edit of this page, and let's open it on the another tab. And here you see few buttons to switch editors. We have installed Elementor, so we now use this one now. We don't use Gutenberg. We use these two editors. Classic mode, it is Bakery classic mode. Classic mode means that your editor will looks like in here, so built inside the admin. And the second front end looks similar to Elementor, so you will see all changes on the live. So let's start from the classic mode. When we turn on classic mode of Bakery page builder, you will see all content in these sections. Here we have some rows. This row have included some text editor. When you hover on this row, you can edit settings of this row. For example, stretch it, or stretch only row, or stretch only content. You can make changes around the cap columns, full high row, equal high, etc. etc. So here are all settings, and in design options tab you can add some extra margins, borders, paddings, also border color, border style, border radius, background or background image. When you click this button, simplify controls, here you can all the same margins for all sites. For example, if you did some changes around here, just click on this blue button, save changes, and changes are saved only on the admin. Next, you should click update button to update all these changes for the website. Okay, inside this row we have the normal text block. You will know this text and visual editor from previous videos. So inside here you know everything how to edit. So here we have some heading number 1. Here we have paragraph. Here we can also add some image if we want. Okay, insert to page, save changes, and you will see that the image will be added below the text. Next we have another section with the 3 columns. How to create columns? Just hover on these column icons, and here you can select another structure of columns, for example 2 columns, and this block text we can move by drag and drop, like in the Elementor, for example. So these elements we can move. The same, we can move all the row, so you can switch the rows like this one. All the row, each one row you can rebuild to change its structure, to have the columns or not. You also can have the custom structure, for example 1 6 and 1 6 columns, for example, and plus 4 6 columns, and then you will have this kind of structure. So you can manage this as you want to create great content of this page. Later we have some other tool, which is just a plain image. In this image we can select the image source, for example media library. From here we can select our image to upload. In the bottom we can type the size of image, for example thumbnail or medium, large or full size, or even we can make the pixels size of this image. Here we can add some caption, image alignment, etc. etc. All tools have the design options, so here also you can change the paddings, background colors, etc. When we save this, we have another image. If you want to create another row, just click on this plus icon below, select from all the tools. Here are all the tools in the standard options of Bakery Page Builder. When you have your template, sometimes inside the templates are pre-built another tools. Here are the basics. So for example, in here we can add new row. It's added on the bottom. Here we can add block text. Here we have some content, demo content, so let's leave it. For example, let's create 2 columns, and inside this column let's add a single image from media library, for example this one. Okay, and in size large. When we update the site, the page, and refresh, you will see all the changes in here. So here is our new column with image inside. Okay, and in this way it's very easy to manage your content of this page. Let's go now to the front-end editor. So to make this, please click on the front-end editor button. It's turned on, and on the live you will see all the changes now. Now if you click on some element of, for example, row or column or text block, when you hover on it you will see all the tools here. So just for example click text block, edit text block, and here we can add some content, save changes, close, and you will see this on the live. When you click update button, the site is updated and all visitors will see your change on the website live. Okay, and here the construction is the same. So here you can, for example, add some new text block below, add some new text, save changes, close this pop-up, etc. etc. Here we can add another row. Inside it we can add, for example, button. We have text on button. Here we can add some link. We can change the style of button. Not work for this template, so nothing happened here. Click save and close. Next we can add another row with some, for example, maybe accordion tab, and here you can add some accordions. The title of accordion, first accordion will be here. Title first. Okay, and you will see the title here, and inside this accordion we can add some content. Okay, update, refresh, and let's see, we have new button and 2 accordions which we created before. It looks very easy to create a very nice content of the page using WP Bakery Page Builder. Thanks for watching.